about to leave home and get going. Hubby has something up his sleeve. I don't know what he has up his sleeve. So yeah, we are going on a trip. Guys, this didn't work out for me last night. I tried. I'm not gonna stress it myself. I'm really not. I'm not gonna stress myself. This is the one time my hair really and truly just doesn't look good, and this is why I don't like trying new people. So what I have to be doing is I have to be putting the hair here, and I just don't know how it looks there. I don't know if it's too much in my face, and I'm not trying to make this vlog all about my hair. No. Anyways, did I show you guys my nails? I have my gloves, and my toes are black as well, black French and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get on our road trip now. So we stopped at Price Mart and got some restocking for the store, for the smoothie side of the store. Hubby brought me some Ocean Spray grapes. This is my first time gonna try these, so let's see how they taste. Hey guys, so let's talk about something, right? I was thinking of getting a camera, right? But I am under this notion that just because you get a camera doesn't mean you're gonna create better, doesn't mean that you're gonna be more consistent. So what I actually want to do now is I want to actually focus on being consistent, bringing forth quality, and then once I've done that, then I can go ahead and get a camera, because it's not gonna make any sense that I get a camera and I quit YouTube or I stop making videos. I don't know. It's not gonna make any sense to spend all that money to not use it. So I'm just thinking, focus on creating, focus on bringing forth quality, and bringing, you know, I'm trying to do videos twice a week. I'm trying to focus on that. But you know, for me, I can definitely tell you guys that my brain, YouTube has brought me to a point of learning how creative I am. I didn't realize how creative I can be, and YouTube had brought that out of me. So I'm just thinking, what happens is that it's not necessarily, you know, because probably most of the time it's just me alone filming and stuff like that. So the execution may be where like the issue may be. I may not have like a good execution like that, because I'm probably the one creating the content, filming the content, and all that lovely stuff. So you know, it's like it gets a bit hard. But listen, I've seen the greatest of the great do it, and I can do it. In Jesus' name, I can do it, and I will do it, and I will overcome, and I will be better. Like they say, you know, record with your back camera on your phone. I can't do that because I need to make sure I'm in the angle. I need to make sure that I'm in. Imagine sitting here talking to you guys, and then my phone is turned to the back camera and I can't see. So imagine I'm here thinking I'm talking to you guys, and I either did not press record, or I'm not in the frame. I'm supposed to tell you guys that all over again? No. So right now I'm working with how I am comfortable doing YouTube and what makes me be able to get my job done better. That's what I'm focusing on, and that's what I will continue to focus on.
Look what you created. everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything so beautiful, the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with your father. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing.
How much for them?
I have 4,000 and 3,000.
No man, do me something better than that, man.
3,500.
A the whole plate you have to buy?
Yeah. I don't have no singles. I have singles.
The whole plate?
Sorry, respect. You see me?
Thanks. Oh, yeah. How much for your jackfruit?
5 years.
Slice it.
Yeah. Please, thank you.
Was it beautiful when you saw
Got my goodies. Fruit bag secured. They ain't a country run without fruits. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's it, so good. It's so good.
for me, yeah.
Really use this domestic purpose. We use it for
To water the plants and water the ground.
right. Well, we have to fit so much push in there.
Oh, that's nice.
Come on, let me show you something, man. Come with you.
Tomatoes.
These are tomato plants. So they're ripe. Put up your phone and fix some. Like we say, your Uncle Wally's farm.
Yeah, that is
What
it.
about them here over here?
So we're picking tomatoes. Okay. This is how life goes in St. Elizabeth.
Yeah, man, so walk up and take up your food.
Yes.
So you can just imagine like people are just walking and
Yeah, man, so walk. You want some tomato, you go in your backyard, man.
You get me? We plant them for market, you see? We come a Coronation Market, we come a Papine Market, we come a Golden Spring Market.
wow.
I'll go. These are the riper
We
ones.
left, ooh, we left the bag.
Uncle Wally farm.
We are down west in St. Elizabeth. So I will make you look here. You see these? When also ripe, you keep them.
Now warm, dry place.
Them out anyway, and then when you start change color. And you see when them get too cold, they'll not go ripe.
Oh, they are red but tough.
No, they're not go ripe. So you use the riper ones.
That's just tomato you don't call it?
Vineyard down, yeah.
Can't tell nothing, me's no country girl, you know. Me's a country girl now. Me have a country husband, me's a country girl. Oh my gosh. I'm waiting on my husband because I don't like walking going nowhere. I don't know. like tomato for days. Tomato there everywhere.
You know, you normally see them.
And get also by the leaf.
Food we have cooked smells so good. Guys, this drive is one for the books. This drive is one for the books. Like, we're literally driving so far. My husband and I do not like long traveling, and let me tell you, we are thoroughly enjoying this drive. It is so beautiful.
Alright, Moscow. No, I can't bump me.
Guys, we are going Pelican Bar. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We are going Pelican Bar. So I told him I wanted to do this, I think last month, and here we are. I'm not gonna change. I'm just gonna keep on what I have. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna work with what I have. I'm excited. You're taking off? I'm not gonna cap, guys. I don't like boats. I don't like boat rides. I'm terrified of boats. But 2025 is the year that we're conquering every fear in Jesus' name. We ain't walking around in fear. Right, babe?
Hmm?
Right?
Okay.
Right.
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 Yeah, the bar. Anything else?
We're conquering fears in 2025. You got everything?
Ah, the music that I play out there?
Yeah, man.
We have life jackets?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, so man.
Just take time with weather, please. Oh my gosh. Now I tell you, it's a bit nerve-wracking. Oh, this is beautiful. This is amazing.
Oh, sit down.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything so beautiful the way it flows
That's
together.
so chef.
I hear birds singing your praises.
Yeah, heading out to the
Amen.
bar at the
You
ocean.
make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh,
The boat is in
the
motion.
way the birds fly across the
We don't need no
sunset
promotion.
sky. Feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah.
welcome. First time here, madam.
Yeah.
Have you guys been spoken to by any of the staffers yet? So quickly advise you that our kitchen is a tool-to-order service. If you are planning on eating, best recommended to check out menu board, put in the order now, so you please can be prepared in time for you. If you're not eating, no problem. Right here for the bar. You're welcome to visit anywhere that's available, alright?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for a new season. I feel like you did it for me, yeah. Listen to the water, listen how it flows. You really thought of everything. I wonder how much I miss getting caught up in things you never meant me to. All that this world could offer will never satisfy me like just being with you.
I don't much of August. 25th? Yeah. Yeah, man. See the connection, man. The powers, man.
I connection.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I just said things that for that. August people, rich people,
Yeah. I will chill.
some people,
We're cool.
very
Humble.
humble people.
We could have richer than rich. And we look for with simply. The simple.
Nothing can get you. What's that? I don't we hype say we are this. The people who find
Not a year, not a year. Yeah.
it's people who find with that.
Yeah.
That we just I say,
We're not
let me tell you, we're not
self-praise.
self-praise.
So I'm tell you, when I reach out from the front,
Everybody.
I see a brother have up a sign and say, Pelican back.
Out of this.
Everybody.
And then when me I come down Pelican back, and I saw
Fishing again.
all our house.
Every yard have a sign.
Yeah.
Everybody survive from it. Treasure Beach the same way. Black River same way. Westmoreland, Hanover, Kingston.
Look what you created. Everything surrounding me, you made it. Everything's so beautiful the way it flows together. I think I hear birds singing your praises. Amen. I swear you make me feel like I'm your favorite. Oh, it's the way the birds fly across the sunset sky. I feel like you did it for me. It's the way your love feels. It's the way that I hear all of creation singing with me. It's the way the fruit grows and knows when to let go. And it's time again for
Guys, I don't want to go home. This is the most beautiful experience ever. My phone is dying and I left my bag in the car with my charger and everything. But Hobby and I are going to take in the view and take in everything. I may record on his phone, so the clips after this look anything. But oh my gosh, this is stunning.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love, you see. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go. Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they can dream of. What you won't do for love. You've tried everything, but you won't give up. And in my world, only you
have just arrived to Lashing Beach Club. There's a Lashing Beach Boutique and a Lashing Beach Club. Who knew there was a difference? Not us. So we've been driving around trying to find it, and we were just like, hello, we'll drive, go home if we can't find it, but to God be the glory, we have found where we're going. So we're gonna stay here for the night and chill out. Today was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful experience. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I have nothing else to say. I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I want to go in and wash off my skin. Beautiful experience. If you are not in Jamaica and you're coming to Jamaica, please go to Pelican's Bar. We met the owner of Pelican's Bar. His name is it Floyd or Lloyd? I can't remember right now, but he still lives and he is at Pelican's Bar, I think, every day. And it was just reading the story, seeing Pelican's Bar, reading the board, seeing the story, seeing the vision, imagining the vision, seeing the visionary, the person who had the vision. Oh, it's breathtaking. It's breathtaking. We got to see the sunset, as you guys saw. Breathtaking. Like, if you go to Pelican's Bar, it's not hot. You see, no matter how hot the sun is, it's not hot. The breeze that's blowing from the sea, and then the sun, not hot. It's just nice and cool. Like, I was literally there laying on the boardwalk and just taking in the sun, because as you guys know, I work inside, and if I work inside, I'm not getting enough sun, and sometimes it can cause me to stress out. It can also cause you to go into depression, but we ain't claiming depression in Jesus' name. We're not claiming that over here. But I laid in the sun. I experienced the fullness of God's creation. I just adored everything that he did for us today, and it was beautiful. And now we're gonna end it at Lashings. I don't know if I told you guys, my cycle started today, so no water for me. I did buy let's not get into that. This is YouTube. I don't really feel like, yeah, but so I didn't really go into any water. We both didn't feel like going into the water anyway, so we just enjoyed the breeze and the view and everything, because sometimes we don't necessarily want to go in the water, we just want to see the water. But anyways, I'm not gonna chat off on the ears. When we reach inside, come back.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working, only working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no, no.
takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings.
Time to unwind. We're gonna go down, get something to eat, and then chill out, and then get some well-needed rest. I don't know what time we're leaving here tomorrow, but knowing every hotel checkout time is like 12. So yeah, we're here until 12 tomorrow. So let's go ahead and find out what we're wearing for the night. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So we are, I think I told you guys. Did I tell you guys? We are at Lashings Boutique Beach Club. It's really beautiful. It's really beautiful here. When we got here last night, we just got something to eat, came in, went to go lay down. That's it. We didn't even watch TV. We didn't even cuddle. The drive was long. We were up since 7 a.m. yesterday, so we were tired. The sleep wasn't so great because mosquitoes were biting my husband the whole entire night, so we barely got any sleep. The AC wasn't cold enough for him, at least. It was cold for me, very cold for me. What else? Yeah, right now we're just here chilling out. I have not spoken to my babies. Alright, guys, give me. If you know me, you know that I would have called my babies the night I'm gone. Yesterday, 2 times yesterday, and already this morning. I have not spoken to my children since the last time I saw them, which was Friday afternoon after I got dropped off for my nails. I have not seen or spoken to my children. I know that they are fine. I know that they are in perfect, not even good. I know that they are in perfect hands. So I have nothing to worry about. So that's why I'm not calling them. And I don't want to stir them up to be like, oh, I miss mommy. Oh, I miss mommy. So I haven't called them because I don't want to stir them up. But I'm proud of myself. Don't get that.
Did a great job.
I'm really proud of myself that I haven't called them. And I guess because I know that they're in perfect hands. Well, like, I'm a normal person. Oh, your phone was dying?
Then,
Dead? You get some charge? Don't plug me out here. But we didn't go for their breakfast. We're gonna just get something to eat when we're ready to go home. We had some fruits left over from yesterday, so we're just gonna eat some fruits. We've just been eating fruits. We'll probably take a walk on the beach before we leave. And yeah, when we take the walk on the beach, that will probably be the end of this vlog because I know this vlog is gonna be very long. So it's been a really good anniversary. It could have been greater. Not anything that my husband could have done, but on my body's side, could have been greater. But life happens, so you just gotta work with what you gotta work with. But we're gonna continue to enjoy this view and enjoy each other's company. We talk to you later. Bye.
Gosh, you need to send them on anything more to go. Here. You need to send them more anything more to go cut, you know.
Oh, you can't go cut, you know.
But you know cut out it look like.
Thank you.
You cut out.
Yeah, broccoli. Yeah, man.
Give them 2 more than now.
Don't make it, sir. Yeah, over here, so.
I know. See that? Guys, the St. Elizabeth trip is not finished. It's not finished. We've gone farming again. We've gone. Listen, I'm living in the wrong part of of Jamaica. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? This is so this is a salad tomato. These are the salad tomatoes. These are cabbages.
Are you upstairs?
It feels so refreshing. It feels this breeze is so nice. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. This feels so good. Jamaica has my heart. But I guess St. Elizabeth has my heart because I said St. Thomas has my heart. No man. Jamaica has my heart. I'll go overseas and work and make some money, but me have to live right here, so. Right here, so. I'm sorry. There's nowhere better.
I know. Well, it's a bit, I'm going to lock it up and come back.
Officially a country girl. Yeah, officially a country girl. See? Me and my carrots.
You go to the farm store. You buy this.
Oh, it's a. Oh, okay.
This carrot.
Okay.
germinate. One little something come up like so you can hardly see it.
Then the top they can't eat? That they look like sitting with go in a restaurant. Go sit.
What's the difference?
You just eat different.
Was it roasted?
Different though.
Tastes like fried, yeah.
Very nice one.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry to come on this vlog sounding like this, but I'm under the weather. Finished vacation, and as soon as I finish vacation, mommy is under the weather. No, actually, I went on a vacation getting a cold, and no, I'm fully under it. But I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed the vlog. I had fun making it. I had loads of fun over the weekend. It was indeed refreshing. It was indeed, it was needed. I really needed that, and I'm so grateful that I had the opportunity to do it. Now we're back into real life. No, we're back into real life. But please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.